If you want to become a UI UX designer, you are in the perfect place. This complete course will teach you all of the essentials with well-organized and easy to follow tutorials. Hi, my name is Arash and I'm a UI UX designer. Together, you and I are going to learn how to become a user interface designer using the software Figma. This course has been designed for people completely new to UI UX design, or let's say design in general. At first, we are going to learn about the design basics and UI elements, and then we will learn about Figma and all of its hidden secrets together. Then you will learn how to create a simple wireframe. From there, you will learn how to set up your style guide and how to apply your colors appropriately to your design. You will also learn about all the principles of mobile application and web design. And then we will design a finance app together, and I will share with you all the necessary techniques and secrets for designing a world-class application. Moreover, you will learn about both simple and advanced micro interactions. Additionally, there is a dedicated web design section where we design a complete modern landing page together. Here you will learn the essentials of web design, such as layout grids, interactions, and so much more. We will also talk about mockups and how you can create your own online portfolio without writing a single line of code. In addition, you will learn about 3D modeling and creating augmented reality scenes. And last but not least, you will learn how to start your own business and get your first client as a UI UX designer. So during this course, we will wireframe, design, and prototype a finance mobile application to develop your design skills and master all the necessary tools. Additionally, you will get access to 2 brand new UI kits worth more than $3,000, and you can use them in your commercial project. So I hope you're ready to learn new skills and become a user interface designer. I'll see you in class.